Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, Six Nation, wanna find the right station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and we are bringing another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm reminding you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, I feel like Squash just take the lyrical competition, the dancehall match, to a platform that Alkaline has dreaded all along. Which platform that? That is the stage, viewers and subscribers. And we know that dancehall competition is a long legacy of dancehall, but they have always been ended on the stage. Yeah, at this we normally see the settlement of all confrontation. And normally on the stage, and when we could see a click, viewers and subscribers, Squash are saying ready for the stage, the lyrical part of the stage clash. So what you are going, and then we are continuing the reasoning.
I don't want to sit up on the internet. They're killing the real life. They're ramp with people. That's why I'm tired part. You see prayer? Stop reading.
As I just point out, the stage at this we normally see all confrontation settled. At this we normally see the settlement. Now viewers and subscribers, recently Mr. Gage make a statement. Him same feel like a backway Alkaline are going in his career. Because after the establishment where him claims him establish himself, you know what I mean? And really and truly, him known the world over. People know him name. You know what I mean? People know who Alkaline is. Now viewers and subscribers, him forward back a yard. For what purpose? For enter lyrical competition with a dancehall group on the rise. Gage just say him not see the profit where him again from this lyrical competition. And him say him was one where it say him pile Messi. And Gage just see him upon the field now. And some baller where him claim a skimmage baller. Man say see the skimmage baller them a win. So viewers and subscribers, may I put the reasoning forward. What was the purpose of this lyrical competition in the eyes of Alkaline? Me no know. Me no know, viewers and subscribers. One thing is for sure though. Squash said at the stage, him say man just not internet artist and just not response after response. Him say if you want to take it right as up on the stage, him ready. Now is Alkaline ready? We're not sure. One thing for sure though, we have never seen Alkaline in a lyrical competition on stage. And him say him in the game a number of years now. Yeah. Squash on the other hand, a member of a group on the rise. We can say the same. We have never seen him on stage in a lyrical competition, but him is from a member of a group on the rise. And that's the way even Alkaline say. Him say what? The youth, them are young artists. We are forward up. So yeah, obviously them are young artists. This will be them first on stage lyrical competition. But we have never seen Alkaline in an on-stage lyrical competition. We don't even know if him 50. I recently him start master him own voice. Because remember the first showcase held that stadium parking lot, so the people must say, boy, them couldn't really hear. Or when them do hear, it never sound like how the track them sound when them recorded. So I recently master him own voice, viewers and subscribers. So I don't know if he would have even entertain the argument of an on-stage lyrical competition. None of him that even think about it. But that's so always Squash said there right now. Yeah, the 6 bar said that's so it there at this point in time. Him will continue to respond if Alkaline continue to respond. But him ready for the on-stage settlement. And a reality viewers and subscribers, we definitely like to see the on-stage settlement. Because when I'm saying that dancehall music, a lyrical competition is a part of the legacy. And we normally see them ended and confrontation settled on stage. So there's some feel like say all roads lead to. They make a statement that track what input out him say even if Sting now keep him a continue to drop music. But we don't know, maybe even if Sting now keep some other promoter can get together. But with special zone of operations that go on right now, we don't even know. But should it be lifted? Maybe we could have a stage set. I don't know, as I say, I feel like say Alkaline would even entertain the thought of a lyrical competition. But a food for thought, viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? And your thoughts do matter. So you feel like, as I say, Some people that would say I did 1 for 1, and you know what I mean, it did even. But at the end also go on, we have to just say yo, the 6 win until Alkaline respond again. So we have to say alright, the competition goes on. So I could see we go on. You know what I mean? We see. One commenter says something where me add it to the reason viewers and subscribers. It was strategic when they say Jamil drop theme track. One person will come and say, buy him that buy Alkaline sometime, viewers and subscribers, to get him thing together so him could have drop a track. And when I look upon the reality of the situation, I have to say, I feel like a true. I feel like that track was to buy Alkaline sometimes so people could say, oh, go on. Jamil dropping in the cash now. Oh, go on. Move hard, I'll go enter. And it will be, you know what I mean? Something else. And then, as you see go on, after that, Alkaline coincidentally drop theme response. So, but I feel like say it was a strategy. Yeah, it was a stratagem that was at play by the MVP and the Vendetta camp. But viewers and subscribers, some people that say it still never work. Some people that say it still never work. They never feel the vibe. The energy was not there. Some people that say them even tired of discussion entirely. Some people that say this don't make no sense. That's how me hear most the fans of dancehall. I say even dancehall artists themselves know. With Gage. Start for comment on it. Him say this is not it. Him say like when Bounty and Beanie that go on it, got it. Ninja, Cabra them. I'm saying not like when Mov and the teacher that got it. I'm saying this is not like that. This is a different thing entirely. And him say him not really rate it. In our whole vibe. And I will probably may say that. But enough people entertained by it as well, because I remember you have new fans are forwarding to dancehall as the day go by. So you have people there, you know what I mean, them never even did it when a lyrical competition that take place. So this will be the first one. Them are witness and I listen to. So you know what I mean? It's a vibe for them. And you know, entertainers are there to entertain. So I guess them will do that. You know what I mean? Them definitely play that role, and that aspect of the game them are focused on at this point in time. It's entertaining for newer fans to dancehall music, newer fans to these artists. So them are entertain those fans, viewers and subscribers. So even if you're not interested in it or entertained by it, you definitely create a buzz that generate a feedback. People are talking about it. The world in the streets. You know what I mean? In the way where people are talking about it, some people have their own opinion. Some people are listening and watch you are going to hear. The end result, as I'm say, Squash I say, on stage him feel like say yo, the settlement of all confrontations should be held. You know what I mean? That's right for them. It's got who really keep score. Who really keep the score? Where is the score sheet? Where is the scoreboard? Oh, you know. So you must say, Adrian would do it on stage and make everybody see. It don't really make no sense. And in reality, I have to definitely agree with the 6 bars on that statement there. Yeah, I have to definitely agree with the G when they make a statement like that. Because other than on stage, artists, in front of artists, you know what I mean, fire phone, and them attack when them attack. Other than that, we have a clear winner. And sometimes even with that, it's hard to determine a clear winner. So, you know what I mean? But that would be a next level of entertainment for the fans as well. But, you know what I mean? When we can watch it and see and listen, then of course, you know what I mean? It will be easier. You know what I mean? Even if you can debate the argument, it will be easier to debate the argument with footage of both artists on stage and deal with them and deal with. As I say, Squash say I'm ready, but Alkaline, I don't feel like him that even entertain the thought. I don't feel like him that even entertain the thought. When we see what go on, you know what I mean? That is the new statement from the 6 on stage. We are go with it. You know what I mean? I'm not talk a popular television show. You must say on stage, any venue. So I go on, viewers and subscribers. The comment section is open 24/7. It never lock yet. So you know me, I tell you right now. Drop your comment and your thought, your opinion. You know what your vibe. Do you feel like Alkaline that accept the challenge of an on-stage lyrical competition? I feel like say no, that's not something with me that ever entertain. You feel like him ready for it. As I say, I recently mastered his own voice. I recently started to sound like Alkaline on stage. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I could see what I go on. The 6 them are ready and them out here. Viewers and subscribers, vice the one called Jaden Chaser. You have just had another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Now, if you're new to the movement, if you stumble upon the channel by accident, what you need to do right now, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, so you stay notified and you don't have to stumble again. You will be notified via messages, notification. You're going to know what go on. You're going in the loop, as the mother said. The comment section, as I say, 24/7 open, never lack yet. So drop your comment, drop your thought, drop your opinion. The like icon is there as well. If you like where you bust a like on the blog, bust a share as well. Tell a friend, say, yo, a new channel, check it out. Jaden Chase, the vibe different, the energy up over there. Need because so I go on. So viewers and subscribers, until the reason again, you know the voice, you know the sentiment. I don't want to know if me I tell them say I live, love and prosper. So until the reason again, you know the thing. I'm out.